To add multiple photos on Instagram Story, first open Instagram. Now go to Story. Now the first basic method to add multiple photos on Instagram is through Layout. And this is the Layout option, and when you click on it, first you will have the 4-photo grid layout. And if you want more option, click on the 4-photo grid option below. That you will find more options, like 6 grid, 3 grid and 2 grid layout options. You can choose any grid layout option according to your preference. Now after choosing the layout, now go to gallery and add your photos one by one to this layout, and then you're done. Now let's talk about the second method. To add multiple photos on Instagram Story. For this, add any one photo to Instagram Story. Now to add more photos from here, click on the sticker option given on top. Now slide down and find the plus icon sticker option and click on it. When you click on it, you will be directed to the gallery. And from here you can add photos, one by one, and place it wherever you want. So that's how you can add multiple photos in your Instagram Story. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.